What is up? It is your girl back at it again with another video. Today, I wanted to do something kind of different. I wanted to show you guys how I apply my lash extensions by myself on my own self. I don't do it on anybody else. I have not taken any classes or anything like that. It's just me practicing it on my own and then just kind of getting the hang of it in a way. I want to show you guys what I got, where I got it from, what you need, what is good for your lashes and everything like that. And I have some lashes on right now, as you can see, but it just need a little bit of refill. It does take a long time to do. I kind of just want to show you guys how I do it because it does take a long time, so I just want to show you guys like a little bit of pieces and snippets of how you apply lashes on by yourself. And yeah, let's get started. The only reason why I wanted to start doing eyelashes extensions on my own self was because it was kind of very pricey. I got tired of paying a lot, and I also just thought it was really easy. I wanted to just try it on myself to see how it works. Ever since that, I've been practicing using different lashes and stuff. What I did was I ordered a kit off Amazon, kind of like a starter pack for your eyelashes, and what I got was this box right here. It was around, I would say, $40 or so. I'm not sure, I don't really remember, but it came in this box. This box, I use it as for my makeup now, but it came in this box. It came with eyelash remover. It came with many different lashes as well, although I didn't really like the lashes that they gave me, but I tried it out anyways in the beginning. I really don't have a lot of lashes, neither are they long. So what they gave me was C curls, and they're 10 mm. So I used the top row already, but this is what they gave me. And they also give you a mix of these two. It's kind of a little messed up, but it goes from 8 mm to 12 mm, but these are C curls. I still haven't used this one either, but it gives you this thing. I really don't know what it's for. If you guys let me know in the comments down below what it's for. Yeah, I don't know, but there's like literally a bunch of these that came with it. It came with these two, I guess what you call tweezers or whatever it is to use for your eyelash. One is to kind of isolate your eyelashes, and one is to kind of apply it. I think I've been using it wrong though. This is the one I used to isolate the lash, and this is the one I used to apply the lashes on. But I think it's the other way around, but I'm not sure. Like I said, I mean, in the comments down below if I am using it wrong or any tips at all. It also came with an eyelash glue, but that eyelash glue really stuck. So I've been using this one right here. It is by Lylon Lash, and it's really good. Surprisingly, it's really freaking good. And I also got this fan. There's like a different fan, I guess, that runs with batteries as well, but this is the thing that came with it. I mean, it works just as good because like it works in a way, so it's fine. Came with some tape, eye gel patches as well, but I guess for me, I don't really use it only because it's on my eye. I understand if they were to use it on like a client's eye or something like that, but I don't really use it on my eye. I feel like it bothers me a lot only because I'm, looking up instead of my head be like looking down. So that's why I don't really use the patches. Neither do I use the tape. I tried using it in the beginning, but it just, I guess, somehow seemed to work better for me. So since the lashes that I bought, the C curls that I didn't really like, I bought a couple more. I bought some D curl lashes. I kind of like it a little bit long, to where you can kind of, see like it's like flaring out in a way. So I got 14 mm, 13 mm in the fan. This one has 5 pieces of lashes that end out together, and this one's there's only 3. So I use a mixture of these two. That's what I have on my eyes right now, only because I kind of want to make it a little more volumized. What I bought from Amazon is this castor oil that I read a lot of good things about these. It's an applicator, and it looks like this. So, and I just kind of apply it on my eyelashes to see results, because I've been using it on my bottom lashes. Barely have any bottom lashes, but now I kind of see that I do, and I'm so excited. But yes, let's get started. I feel like I've been talking so much. So what I do is I'm gonna start with the pre-made fan first. You're just gonna peel off a strip and just put it on your hand, just like that. So I have a mirror right here, and then I just kind of like hang it right here and just put the glue in. So keep in mind that if you ever got your lashes done before, always make sure to kind of keep your eyes closed, but you know, doing it yourself, you can't really keep your eyes closed, so just make sure to have this right next to you where you can just like dry the glue out really quickly, because this glue does burn a little bit, but then again it's okay as well. I've gone to different eyelash artists and their stuff kind of burned and makes me cry really bad, and my eyes get really red, so be cautious about that really. And I usually just shake it beforehand and then I add a drop only because I mean this glue works pretty good. Sorry about my acne and all that stuff, but I have my lashes right here. So like I said, I don't know if I'm using it right. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off one of the eyelash. Make sure to be careful as well because this is a fan. And then I'm gonna dip it in the glue. Before I dip it in the glue, I always try to see where my eyelashes are first and where I want to put it. So make sure, also please try to practice isolating your lashes as well, because that does help. Apply, as you can see, like it's not the greatest, but it's I'm not a professional eyelash artist or anything like that, but you just kind of figure out where you want your lashes to be. So I see a lash right here, I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna take one, dip it in the glue, and then isolate it, and then put it on your eyelash. And I also try to it looks funny, and then just like I said, fan it out, you know. Beauty hurts. I think for me the hardest ones are the ones that are out in the corner of your eye, only because I have a lot more lashes that are cluttered up together. So this is kind of how they really look like at the moment. There are a couple of pieces of lashes that I have not done, and I'm as of right now I'm using the pre-made fan that only has 3 lashes with it. I'm going to fill the rest of it with the 5. So I've officially finished this strip right here, so I am going to kind of go in with the ones that are a little thicker, and they look like that. So again, I try to just pull them from the bottom so they won't really mess up your lashes or anything like that. Sometimes they're really hard, but I do it from the bottom. It looks crazy right now. I kind of want the full look, but I don't want it to be too full, so I think this is good enough for my right eye. I have about 4 left right here. I'm just gonna use it on the other side as well. And guys, so I am done, and this is how they look like. I am officially done with my lashes. I kind of want to just put on a little bit of makeup and just kind of show you guys what it would look like, you know, with me all done getting ready, and how it would look like with makeup. So I will be right back. Alrighty guys, I just did like a 5-minute makeup, literally, only because I wanted you guys to see what my lashes would look like. Just a little bit of makeup on, you know, me looking a little brighter, I guess you could say. That is how I do my lashes extensions by myself. I've been using these lashes and this glue for, I would say, about 3 weeks now. And what you saw beforehand, we haven't filled them or anything for about 3 weeks, so this glue works really well, way better than whatever I was using before. I don't remember, but it's way better, and it's a lot easier to stick on, and I definitely would recommend it if you guys want to try it. Thank you for watching. If anything, if you guys end up trying this on your own, you know, let me know how it goes, or if you guys have tried it or recommend any other products other than the ones that I'm using, or any other lash products. So comments down below. I would love to try them, because like I said, I'm just kind of exploring what I like and what I don't like, and so far I like these, but of course I would also love to try more things. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.